What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be drifting all these cars. Yes, all of these cars. Parking brake, obviously. In under 15 minutes. Okay. We needed to go back because we need to do this under 15 minutes. Okay. Audi V8. Let's go. Quick. I just do decent. Like, for example. Yep. Next car. I gotta do this quick. Lamborghini. So that makes it pretty easy. Yo, sick. Okay, next car. Audi. Oh, this car looks so bad. It's okay, chat, hold on, I can cook. Dang, 360 is crazy. Alright, next car. Dodge Challenger. Bro, the American cars aren't meant to drift, bro. We're just meant for, like, power. We can get fast, but... Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, no, I don't want an F1 pass. Dodge Viper. You guys get to see every single car in this game. I don't know, it's called Car Driving Simulator. Ooh, convertible. Okay, next car. Let's see. Mercedes. Okay, this one car. This is meant for luxury. Sport. My goal is to get a really nice car so I can have a decent range. But some cars can do that. I'm just going like backwards, I swear. Next car. Bro, I'm zooming through this, bro. Dodge Camaro. Oh my gosh, bro. I did that one supercar mega build. Yo, that was sick. Next car. Guys, I think we're running out of time. Okay, guys, we gotta speedrun this. I only have 15 minutes to do this. We gotta speedrun this. Ready? Next car. Oh my gosh. There's so many Camaro. Oh wait, I already did that. Porsche Panera. Oh my gosh, bro. This reminds me of Super Club. Drifting Porsche Paneras be like. Okay, chat. What is the competition? Hurry up, load! I have to go. Oh, this thing a horse. Bet. Okay, chat. Dodge Charger. Yo, this is cool, clean. Next one. I'm not kidding. Chat, I think I'm running out of time, so we gotta go fast. Quick. Okay, yeah, that car's boring. That made a lot of smoke, oh my gosh. Ferrari Italia. Is this Italian? I think it's French. I think it's Italian. W. Alright, now I'm just gonna speedrun this. I don't even care if it's interesting here. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah. How? Yo, that was so clean. Shit, I think... No, I'm running out of time, actually. Like, it's not even funny, I'm actually running out of time. Oh my god, no. Go. Oh my gosh. Go! Yeah, that was like a star drift. Next one. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Let's go. Oh my gosh, that was so long. Porsche 911. There's like a million of these. Okay, go. I'm gonna just drift here. Let's go. No, I don't need sports cars. Lamborghini Urus, oh my gosh, bro. Family car. Definitely family car. Definitely family car. Where are you? Corvette. Alright guys, speedrun. Smoke. McLaren P1. Yo, I had it this. Yeah, that's the first McLaren we've had. Or it's Nissan. Yo, GTR. Bro, this is like the best. I just did like an easy donut. Okay. Let's do this. Parking brake. W. Toyota. Ooh, Toyota. The original company of drifting because it's from Tokyo and stuff. It's not, you need like the Supras. Competitive. I don't even know what that means. Why am I driving it still? I already drifted. Corvette. Yeah, it's Corvette. Oh my gosh, a truck. Let's go. Drifting a truck. Oh my gosh, I can't press P. Chat, no, it's gonna be a problem. And we're finishing it there. Well, hope you enjoyed watching. Part 2 coming soon.